Hello friends, this is Sai Fanindra from SQL School, assuring you complete practice orientation, completely practical and hands-on lectures on SQL DBA with Azure, the SQL Database Administration course with Azure Cloud. Come on, let's understand what we do as a DBA. Yes, assume a car, the maintenance. I go to an hospital, the treatment, the health checks is what a database administrator does. Maintenance, routine health checks, routine management, ensuring your database is running 24/7 without any problem. There's a main life of a DBA. In our classes, in our SQL DBA course, we'll start right from the scratch, right from the basics on what is database, right from the basics of database fundamentals, transact SQL concepts. We are not into development, we are not into programming, but we need some basic information on the SQL concepts, mainly for repairing and troubleshooting. We'll understand the different levels of architecture like server architecture, database architecture, something called index architecture. For about 2 weeks, we'll spend on the basics, the yellow box first. Then 2 more weeks on the basic DBA activities, routine DBA activities. Routine means like everyday operations. We have something called query tuning, query optimizations, backups, jobs or automation, security, health checks, so on. From there, we'll slowly step into next 2 weeks advanced DBA activities. What we do here in advanced database administration, in advanced DBA activities or advanced DBA module, we'll understand the concepts pertaining to common, very common issues. As a database administrator, we need to get into the common activities pertaining to routine health checks, what we do if a database is down, or what we do if a server is down, or what we need to do if a particular data is missing, so on. We need to learn. We need to also understand something called as HADR, high availability and disaster recovery operations. HADR we call it. Then we'll slowly step into something called as upgrades, migrations, and something called service packs, etc. We'll do. So total 6 weeks we'll spend, Monday to Friday, weekly 5 days, 6 weeks we'll spend, 6 weeks of our valuable time we are going to spend in box number 1 or yellow, first blue and second blue. Total 6 weeks. And then we shall proceed for additional 3 crucial important weeks of our valuable time. We are going to invest in Azure SQL DBA concepts. Here we'll start with cloud basics and Azure migrations. We'll understand slowly the concept of DTU, that is data transaction unit, an architecture component in Azure. We'll slowly step into tuning activities, auditing, security, backups, PITR, point in time recovery activities, and very important virtual machines, VMs, clustering, always on, and DP300 certification guidance part of our course. We'll ensure the sessions are completely into practice mode. Completely practice mode. We'll start right from the basics of what is database. And to join our classes, no prerequisites. For SQL DBA course from our SQL school, no prerequisites. We'll start to learn from scratch. Completely practical, completely into real world, concept-wise FAQs, interactive and friendly environment. Let's love the subject together. Real-time project, FAQs and job assistance, part of our course. We shall provide you the complete lab setup software you would install in your computer. Make sure you have 8 GB RAM. And we need to also additionally work on our online server. So you require your local server as well as our online server, both for our practice throughout the course. So your lab plan, our course lab plan for SQL DBA classes would be something like this. You would be having some components in your computer and some other components on our server. We need to gel with both carefully together. We'll do slowly, step by step. And the complete synopsis of the technical keywords we are going to learn in our classes, right from basics to clusters, always on, and DP300 certification content. And you have various plans. Plan A. Plan A is 1 to 30 chapters core DBA non-cloud. Plan B, core DBA plus Azure SQL DBA. That is, plan B is actually 1 to 40 chapters. So 10 chapters extra, the main chapters for Azure activities. If you are into plan C, we have Power BI towards design, analytics and administration concepts. I repeat, 3 different plans. Just to make sure we have a nice shape up resume, we have total 3 different course plans. Plan A, mainly for starters, mainly for starter program. And we have plan B for experienced profiles. And plan C for more experience in your resume. And here are the complete duration, the latest schedules and the chapter wise content available on our website. Upon request, you can even download from our website SQLSchool.com, or you can also mail or WhatsApp us to any of these numbers, India numbers, and we are glad to assist you further. Sessions are completely into practice mode. Need your support. On-time practice required from your end. For every chapter, you have mock tests. Every chapter throughout the course, throughout the 6 weeks or 9 weeks or 13 weeks course, throughout the course, you have concept-wise mock tests. And additionally, you have project work. If your interviewer asks you what you did in your project, what are the challenges you faced in the project, or what if your database is down, or what we do if a particular server is down. Yes, those kind of important and very mission critical crucial items we need to learn. Yes, our project work goes like this, something like this. Like for example, server is down, database is down, something is missing, something is failing, something is slow. What we do? So need your support. We have a lot of information to learn, and we'll start from the very basics of database. Thank you so much. Have a nice time and wish to see you soon in our live classes, or you may also contact us on WhatsApp or call to any of the numbers you see on the screen, preferably the India numbers. And let me just correct the second number here. I think, yeah, this one. Please, sorry to make you wait. I'll just correct it to show you the complete information. Yes, so here we go. I'll just put this way. With this information, we'll stop for today, and in case of any further clarifications or questions, you're always welcome to reach me and glad to assist you. You have my LinkedIn as well as the call, the yellow box here on the screen. Thank you so much. Have a nice time and wish you all the very best for your future career options. Thank you so much. God bless us all. Thank you once again.